Yes, so my people, good afternoon, good evening, good day, anyone. So today, wetin we want talk about na about some boys, some men, na about some men. Na me wan really come out today say make me come talk about. Yes, like some of them, not all, some still good for inside the matter. Some good though, where they see good one and then they see the bad one. Yes. So if una know say food one una no fit eat, make una no dey start am for the beginning. Yes, wetin me mean by that one mean say maybe now you see one lady, e just dey im own, e dey live im life fine, e dey take off himself, dey take off the children dey go, maybe e get one pikin, maybe e get two children when you meet am, maybe e get three children when you meet am. You go come dey toast am, from toasting am then love come enter, una come dey date each other. From that dating na, maybe belle fit enter. Then that lady that time when be say e dey shape, everything you like am, everything wey dey her body e dey attractive to you, that's why you like am, you say you want to make una marry, una be marry. Then una come dey the relationship belle come. As belle come na, you love am, love the children, love everything when e dey with the girl. Then you love the character too. Yes, una come dey then she come born. After she come born, that time na you come know say you wey be say you feel you're good to am, you be offer and omega to am, she na offer omega to you, that is you love her, you cherish her, you love everything about her, reason as of no reason. Then you just come one day after she don born for you, maybe na that pikin you want, or you get another something when you dey find, maybe dey find paper dey go for the girl head, the girl no know. Then after all those things come happen, you don see your pikin finish. Then you go come tell the girl say later say you no wan marry her again. Why? Because e be like say the marriage no work. Why? Because she don first born. Yes, you know say that lady don first born before you come promise her love, before you promise her marriage, before you say na everything to you, you love am for who she is. So after she come born now, born for you now, carry your pikin come born now, you come dey tell am say sorry na so maybe my family no agree make I marry person wey don first born na so e don first born, so my family no want you, or na so e don first born, me no wan marry person wey don first born. See come because before you meet am, you mean say e don first born, maybe na one pikin girl or na two pikin girl, e come still born for you, you come still make am say e don first born, you come still make am say e don still born for you. So later you come dey tell me say you no wan marry again. Where that one dey happen? No dey happen. You must marry. We die there, you go marry. Say you no wan marry, you come hear where they dey call single mother tomorrow, you come carry chairman there, come carry the matter put for head, then you just make another one single mother for one corner. Then if na me my guy, you go marry, you go marry. We die there, you must marry. You see, I know say food one I no fit chop finish, you no start to dey eat am. Na im be the thing o. So you come tell me say na say you no wan do again. Where you dey go? For where? You come make no use pre ten der love take come meet the girl say na so you love am, without am your life no complete. Why? Na because of that thing na im make me come out today. I come say make me come give some advice, because if you know say you be that kind person, just off if you see say the girl get pikin, if you see say the girl get pikin, you like am, e fine or e no fine, or na your taste or no be your taste, carry eye pass am. If you know say the girl don first get pikin, no use my camera just dey disturb. Yes, so you come tell the girl say you no wan marry again, say because why? The reason why you come tell the girl say because say she don first born before, so that's why now you no come want the relationship again, when you know say you still make am that single mother drop. You see am? So if na me, you no dey go anywhere, you must marry. Na force, na force you marry, because if they do your sister like that, you go like am. Wetin dem no do you, no do person. Before you cut person, first cut yourself, make you know how that pain dey, that feeling, you feel am alone, so that you feel the pain, so that in case you cut person, you know say that pain wey you feel that time when you cut yourself, if you still cut that person, na that pain na im go still feel. You see am? So wetin dem no do now, una no dey try dey do person. The thing dey vex me. If una hear now say they all talk about the single mother, na so na run, una dey talk, una dey contribute put, and whereas now even dey make the ladies, the single mother, dey drop. You see am? So that thing no good. Make una change. If una know say una no wan follow woman wey don first born, make una just stay, make una no follow, no be force. Make una look for single girls. Single girls dey, make una follow single girls. As far as say you be single, the girl na single, una fit body. You see am? So So some say even they call my page, ask me how they ask me how they talk. So some they call my Facebook. They call me in the night anytime. They know some say they know your guesses. Midnight, how can you be calling a lady which you don't know? You don't even know the person. You have never chatted with the person. Una never meet. You just carry phone, just the call her in the midnight. For waiting. Eh? So they one come write me. Message many one. I don't even feel reply any message. Maybe the one where I just see come across, I just see answer. Now so they write to. Now I tell am say, why you dey call me video call? You know me or I know you before. If you want to reply me, say man, no vex, say I no sabi write. Seriously? So when me come dey write am, na he come say he say I be not know how to write, that's why. Now I say okay. So na so he come dey talk. Now I say, he say, na wetin you want, wetin you dey find? He say na he just like me. Now I say I be person woman and I get children, I get 3 children. You know, he say e no me. He say if I get 3 children, e no me. If I get mine, e no me. You know, say 3 children, no me. Who get 3 children? You dey tell am say no me. You go fit marry who get 3 children. Even who get 1 pikin sef, e dey hard, talk less of 3. Who get 2, una still dey hard. Una make am. Una go give the person belle finish, una still leave am. So you now wan call me person wey get 3 children. Wetin you want? Wetin I dey find, or wetin you sef dey find? Wetin you dey find for who get 3 children body? Wetin? So you dey find you wan make single mother drop, then you come go tomorrow, you come tell the person say you no wan marry. Say why? Because say you don born. Even get 1 pikin, they tell am say I no wan marry again. Why? Because say you don first born. Talk less of who can get 3 children. You see am so abeg, make we ladies still get sense, make we get sense, because all these men when they carry sweet man, they come meet you for Facebook. Now so you are the angel, you are the butter in my bread, you are the angel in this car, you are this one, you are queen, you are pretty, you are this, that, you are doing this, you are beautiful. May he come date you now. That time you come know say you not beautiful reach. Now that time you come know say your character dey smell. Now that time you come know say you not get character. Now that time you come know say you don't first born 2 children, you don't first born 1 pikin, you don't first born 3 children, you not fit marry. You see, so you know say this woman when you come me so, you don't first born 2 children, you don't first born 1 pikin, you don't first born 3 children, if you don't say first born 4 children, but you will come say not me, like the way that one they write me say not me. Then if you can't make the person single mother, you can't drop her. Then you can't say why I not marry her, I for marry her, because say character dey smell, you not get character. Number 2, because say not get respect. Number 3, because say you don't first born. You want to find respect, you get respect, because this life, now give me respect, I give you respect. Oh, give me my respect, I as a woman, I give you your respect as a man. Now vice versa. So you know, you say now, say because you marry me, then now you're the worship you, they lick your feet. I don't fit. So now before you come me get, try to know the girl character, whether not the one you fit there adopted to, or not the one where you know fit. You there, you feel, if you know say you feel battle, you feel take a character, you feel be a character, then go ahead. Person first born, you no matter say the person not good or not made the first relationship not work for her. No. Sometimes say if you born for man, you go be say that man not be your husband. Then una separate. Your husband must surely come meet you, because God not create any woman say or man say na so you go be single forever. Your own go come meet you, or if you even come meet you, you no go hear am for a man say na so you don first born, and before say because say you don first born, I no marry you. He go marry you now, live fine. Even you go even date better past the first person when you born for. You see, and so when you come abandon you. So now be the thing. Now wetin I come to share today, now be that one. You see, and so sometimes these men, they made the lady they confused, they turn them to single mother, abandon. Then if una hear where they call single mother, una go they talk for there, they go they contribute to wetin you no get. So lady, more still get sense. So before na carry for belle for men, more na wait the man. I go fit take this man character. The character dey okay. If it dey okay for me to handle, or I no fit. So your reason or I feel you say, or I love the man, maybe you say born the pikin. Because yeah, now you do everything is possible. Not be Nigeria when you go define, you know, see, before you go even see an money. Here, everything is possible. You see, so belle not be still the first thing for relationship. If you out there one day, or they date the guy, you tell say my guy, I don't take him, whereas not there just to know his character. How his character will be if you take him for her. You just threaten her. If you say good, you know say if you born for this one, you no go change or you no go suffer. Many now they come pretend to get that pikin, they all get am, my guy. Na another character entirely. Now they come out when you don't know before. You go see come they ask yourself, yeah, this might be good to me, but how it can all take change like this? that change when change they tell you now say he no want again, na be that change. For me you go want, you stay there, you go nowhere. So yes, so now wetin I just come to share today na be that. So if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell below so that whenever I upload a video you'll be notified. Yes, subscriber is free, please subscribe. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.